Has it been more than 6 months since you've been to the dentist? Do you have a nagging tooth problem you thought would disappear but simply hasn't? Well, don't wait another second. Your health could be at serious risk. Regular dental checkups can prevent numerous issues with both your teeth and your gums. Oral hygiene is easy if you stay on top of it. Don't let an unnecessary problem turn into an unfixable problem. Contact our office to schedule an appointment today. We use the latest technology to assess, rectify, and beautify your smile. Our team is very experienced at achieving the best results when it comes to your oral care. Whether it's a simple cleaning, a cavity, removal of a tooth, whitening, gum care, cosmetic filling, or whatever the case may be, we offer the absolute best treatment for every dental need. Insurance or no insurance, we're here to help. Don't delay another moment. Call us to schedule an appointment immediately.
219-370-6425 for all your dental needs. 219-370-6425.